Todd Brennan with W Podiatry. We have a couple ingrowns today on both big toes. We actually have a special guest. She's a big fan of ours on YouTube, so she found us on YouTube and she came in so we can fix her toenails. But before we post it on YouTube, we have to get her approval, because if it's not gross enough, then it's not going on YouTube, right?
Yes.
Got it. Okay. So we got her nice and numb. We got a couple tourniquets on. Let's double check and make sure you're numb one more time. Okay. Anything?
Nope.
No. Anything?
Nope.
Good. All right. Let's get rocking and rolling. So this is a freer here. Free up the sides of the nail. One on either side. You can see this side's pretty inflamed. Freeing it up really nice and clean. Doing good, right?
Yeah. Mom, you see that? Anybody see it?
Don't pass out, Mom.
No. I see worse on her.
Oh, yeah. All right. Cut.
Oh, yes. It's going to be such a good video.
So we're getting her approval so far. All right? All right, another cut. All right, let's get this guy out of there. So side one. Pretty good. Pretty good.
Oh, no, wait.
Side two should be a little bit better based on what the toe looks like. Not bad. See? Not bad.
That's cute.
Let me clean up. It's cute, yeah. I've never heard that one before. Let's clean up some of this loose skin here so it looks a little bit prettier for you. All right. And then we're going to check and make sure we got it all out. It feels like we did. Okay. Next up, the medicine. So we'll title it so you can find it. That's cute.
That's super cute.
The cute ingrown, the super cute ingrown nail. Be on the lookout for this. Super cute ingrown nail. So the dark discoloration is normal. That's from the medicine that we're putting back here, which is sodium hydroxide, which is a base. It's not an acid. We get a lot of questions on YouTube about not using the acid. It's not an acid, it's a base. So a little bit of bleeding isn't going to harm it. Same thing on this side. For kids, I don't like to leave it in as long as an adult because it is strong, and I don't want them to blister up and, develop an infection. So I usually use it a little bit less than the typical amount of time needed. One more. And then we're one toe down. How you doing? Good?
Lovely.
Excellent. All right, clean it off a little bit. All right.
Why is my toe black?
That's from the medicine.
Oh, okay. Wow.
That will give away. All right, let's.
We found it. Mm-hmm.
So this little thing is just adaptic so the dressing doesn't stick to the toe, all right?
Mm-hmm.
You're gonna take this off when you shower next, all right? Take the whole dressing off. Clean it, soap and water, Neosporin and a Band-Aid,
Okay.
all right? All right, one down, one to go. The second super cute toenail. Next up. All right. Did you say you think this one's gonna be good?
I think it's going to be cuter.
Cuter?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know, that last one was pretty cute. On a scale of 1 to 10 for ingrown toenail cuteness,
I think this is a 10.
it might be a 10.
This might be an 11.
All right, cutting it again. So you'll see we do 2 cuts. So the first one kind of gets the nail that's above the skin, and the second one we slide underneath the skin and we get the rest of it. So Just do it slightly different than some of the other docs. I know Dr. Wynn, he sticks a blade back there sometimes to free it up. It's just different techniques, different ways you were taught. All right, there's one. And number 2. All right.
Oh, that's so cute.
I'd leave the skin like this, but I think the YouTube crowd would go absolutely nuts if I did.
Unsatisfying.
All right, let's check one more time and make sure they're all out of there. That's good. And obviously when it heals in, it'll heal in like this and look nice and normal. So you don't look like you've had that procedure done. All right, last little bit here. What are you gonna do this weekend? Look for your video online?
Yes.
Okay. Well, I'll get home and I'll start editing right away. I don't want to let you down. Did you just stumble upon the videos, or were you searching for it, or how did you?
I searched them.
Oh, you
I look
searched.
at healthy podiatry videos.
Oh, nice. Who's your favorite doctor?
I don't know. I guess you.
Just kidding. I'm just joking. Last one. Was that 3 that I just did? I think I just lost track. I was
I
talking.
gave you 1 extra.
Okay. All right. Good. Okay. Let's get this guy off. More piece on there. And then we'll wrap it up. That's it.
This
That's all
such
she
a
wrote.
Cute, like
What a cute procedure, right?
Thank you.
Thanks as always for watching. Comment, like below. Like us on Instagram at Healthy Feet Podiatry. And if you see us on YouTube or Instagram and you have an issue, reach out to us. Come see us. We can fix your cute toenails as well, just like hers. And we'll go from there. All right. Have a great weekend, guys.